गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज हम तहसील वेलफेयर 2020 का क्वेश्चन पेपर डिस्कस करेंगे। ये एग्ज़ाम 1 नवंबर 2020 को कंडक्ट किया गया है। जो मैं आपको आंसर्स बताऊंगी वो ऑफिशियल आंसर की के आंसर्स हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर करेक्ट अबाउट पीएम स्वनिधि स्कीम? ए 1 and 2. This scheme is announced as a part of the economic stimulus. Second, under the Atmanirbhar Abhiyan. Second, it has been implemented since 1st June 2020 for providing affordable working capital loan to street vendors to resume their livelihood that have been adversely affected due to COVID-19 lockdowns. A. Correct answer. Which of the following statement are correct about Atal Tunnel? B. 2 and 3. It is the first step towards providing all-air connectivity to Ladakh. It will also provide a strategic benefit to the country's armed forces. Question number 3. According to the National Education Policy 2020, a teacher will be able to teach lessons in mother tongue or regional language up to grade A 5. Grade 5. Which of the following statement are correct about zoo infection? D 1, 2, 3, 4. It causes a serious bacterial leaf blight disease in rice. It is also known as bacterial blight. It is a gram-negative bacteria. It is caused by a bacterium called zoo. Question number 5. Which of the following statement are correct about e-way bill system? A 1 and 2. It is an electronic way bill for movement of goods to be generated on the e-way bill portal. A GST registered person cannot transport goods more than rupees 50,000 without an e-way bill. Question number 6. Which of the following statements are correct about Rashtriya Kamdhenu Ayog? C 1 and 2. It aims to promote animal husbandry on modern and scientific means. It aims to preserve and improve breeds of cattle. Which of the following statements are correct about BharatNet project? A 1 and 2. Hughes Communication India will connect 5,000 village panchayats with satellite broadband under this project by March 2021. Panchayats are to be selected from the border and Naxal affected states as well as island territories. Question 8. What is the main objective of Van Bandhu Kalyan Yojana? B. Welfare of tribal. The theme of World Habitat Day 2020 is D. Housing for all, a better urban future. According to the recent notification issued by the Ministry of Law and Justice, India, which country was declared as the reciprocating territory? A. United Arab Emirates. Which country assumed presidency of the United Nations Body Convention on Migratory Species for the next 3 years? B. India. Which of the following statements are correct about India European Union flagship call? C 1 and 2. It is associated with energy field. It was announced at the India Smart Utility Week 2020 jointly by the Secretary, Department of Science and Technology and European Union Ambassador to India. Which of the following statements are correct about disaster resilient infrastructure? C. 1 and 2. The United Kingdom has been recently confirmed as the first co chair of the Governing Council on CDRI. The Governing Council is the highest policy making body of the CDRI, which is led by India. Which decade is named as the Decade of Healthy Aging as per the World Health Organization? B. 2020 2030. The court of which ordered the government to impose a ban on single use plastic? C. Bangladesh. The Nobel Prize for Physiology or Medicine 2020 has been awarded to three scientists for the discovery of which virus? D. Hepatitis C. Two equal and opposite forces cancel each other, however, action and reaction, which are equal and opposite to each other, do not cancel each other because B. They act on different bodies. The scattering of a beam of light by the dispersal phase particles in a colloidal solution as it passes through it is known as B. Tyndall effect. When we add salt into the vegetables during cooking process, vegetable release water. What mechanism is responsible for this? B. Exosmosis. Exchange of genetic material take place in B. Sexual reproduction. What was civil disobedience movement? B. Active refusal to obey certain laws, demands and commands of a government. Which of the following statement is are about Ram correct about Ramakrishna mission? C. 1, 2 and 3. The mission is named after and inspired by the Indian saint Ramakrishna Paramahansa. It was founded by Swami Vivekananda in 1897 AD. It propagates four yogic deals: jnanas, bhakti, karma and raja yoga. Which of the following statement are correct? C. 1 and 2. The East India Company for the first time acknowledged the state responsibility for promotion of education in India. The Charter Act of 1813 allowed the Christian missionary to spread their religious ideas in India. Consider the following incidences and arrange them in correct chronological order. D. 2143. Foundation of Muslim League, Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Khilafat movement, civil disobedience movement. D. In which of the following session of the Congress a new constitution was adopted and a working committee was formed? B. Nagpur session 1920. Which of the following is incorrect about Indian Independence Act? A. British monarch retained high right to veto bills for certain period. Which of the following statements are correct? C. 1 and 2. Warren Hastings was the first Governor General of India. Lord Canning was the first Viceroy of India. For what Fraser Commission was appointed in 1902? B. Police reforms. Purna Swaraj or complete independence was demanded by the Congress in which of the following session? D. Lahore session 1929. Which of the following act is also known as Lord Cross Act? B. Indian Councils Act of 1892. Which one of the following movements developed a revolutions against Hindu religion and culture? A. Brahmo Samaj. From where Raja Ram Mohan Roy borrowed the concept of one god? A. Vedas. Who founded Dharma Sabha with the object of opposing the Brahmo Samaj? D. Vivekanand. Which of the following act legalized marriage of widows? A. Act 15. Ashtadhyayi of Panini is a work on A. Grammar. The Dharma Sutra classify marriage into B. 8 types. The three Ratna of Jainism does not consist of D. Right food. Archaeological remains from Bulandi Bagh are associated with A. Patliputra. Sopano in stupa architecture signifies C. Stone railings. Dashavatar temple at Deoghar belonged to C. Gupta period. The term federal is derived from the Latin word fedus, which means C. Covenant. Which of the following are functional items in the 11th schedule of the Constitution? C. 2, 3 and 5. Public distribution system, small scale industries, fisheries. Which constitutional amendment bill provide reservation to the economically weaker sections? C. 124. Who is known as the first law officer of India? B. Attorney General of India. The Constitution 74 Amendment Act 1993 mentions the B. Functions of municipalities. Pocket veto is enjoyed by B. President of India. What was the main purpose behind bringing Panchayati Raj system in India? C. Decentralization of the political power to the local bodies. Who is authorized to decide over a dispute regarding disqualification of a member of parliament? B. President. Which of the article deals with the grants in aid by the union government to the states? C. Article 275. Which of the following statements are correct about Lokpal and Lokayukt? D. 1, 2 and 3. The term Lokpal and Lokayukt were coined by Dr. L. M. Singhvi. Lokpal and Lokayukt are statutory bodies without any constitutional status. They perform the function of ombudsman and inquire into allegations of corruption against certain public functionaries and for related matters. What is JAM Trinity? A. Jan Dhan Aadhaar Mobile. Which of the following item has the maximum weight of wholesale price index in India? C. Manufactured product. Production, transformation and use of energy are the major worries in A. Industrial activity. Who among the following is benefited most from inflation? C. Debtors. Indian wage policy is based on C. Cost of living. CAP art is related to A. Assisting and evaluating rural welfare programs. EAS stands for B. Employment Assurance Scheme. Disguised unemployment in India is mainly restricted to A. 1 and 2. Agriculture sector, rural areas. Newly inaugurated portal Udmi Mitra is to assist B micro, small and medium enterprises. Which one of these is not a cause of poverty in India? A. Migration of people from rural to urban India. Arable land in the irrigated zones of India is turning saline due to which of the following reason? C. Over irrigation. Under which type of natural hazard do blizzard come? A. Atmospheric. In which part of Himalayas do we find Kareva Formation? C. Kashmir Himalaya. Which one of the following rivers flows in a rift valley? C. Narmada. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through B. Odisha. The easternmost longitude of India is A. 97 degree 25 minutes east. Why do western slope of Western Ghat receive orographic rainfall? D. Due to phasing slope of the southwest monsoon. Which of the following lakes has been formed due to the tectonic activities? C. Wular Lake. Which of the following is the most humid region of India? C. Coastal region of Tamil Nadu. Which one of the following was the first biosphere reserve of India? A. Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. To stimulate local economic development, enhance basic services and create well-planned urban cluster, the Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India has sanctioned how many clusters to HP? B. 06. The Satluj River enter Indian territory to which of the following places? C. Near Shipki. Kameri or Choli Joji, Chadru, Kamarband, Chalan or Suthan and shoe made up of grass or straw are the remnant of which tribal women of HP? D. Pangwal. Which of the following combination is correct? D. Bakyang dance. The most ancient art and architecture of Himachal Pradesh is C. Khasa style art. Which of the following painting school got the royal patronage first time during the reign of Raja Uday Singh? C. Chamba painting. Which district of Himachal Pradesh has recorded the highest child sex ratio throughout the country as per 2011 census? D. Lahaul and Spiti. Which of the following is improved poultry breed introduced by the Department of Animal Husbandry in HP? C. Island Red. Match the following combination and select the incorrect combination. D. Choyang, the festival of Diyas. Who is the author of the book Shimla, Past and Present? A. E. J. Buck. Match the following list and choose the correct answer from the codes given below. A. First C, second A, third E, fourth B. Name the ruler of Sirmaur who was awarded with a costly robe and was entitled with a salute of 7 guns by the British government in lieu of his services during 1857 revolt. A. Raja Shamsher Prakash, who headed the Territorial Council which was formed on 15th August 1957. B. Karam Singh Thakur. Himachal Pradesh became the state to launch the statewide area network in the country. A. FAST. HRMN 99 is a variety of which of the following fruit developed by a progressive farmer of HP? C. Apple. At which of the following place the yak breeding research station is situated? B. Sangla. Which of the following hydroelectric power project was conceived as drinking water supply scheme for the National Capital Territory of Delhi? D. Renuka Dam Hydroelectric Project. According to Agriculture Census 2010-11, what percentage of the total land holding belong to small and marginal farmers? A. 87.95%. Angora rabbit farms for distribution of rabbits to the breeders and functioning at which of the following places in HP? C. Kandwari, Kangra and Nagvain in Mandya. Government of India has sanctioned a national project on bovine breeding to HP. What is the patron of central assistance of the project? D. 100%. Himachal Pradesh Forest Ecosystem Climate Proofing Project with the assistance of KfW Bank Germany is being implemented in which of the following district of the state of HP? C. Chamba and Kangra. For construction, repair and upgradation of Gram Panchayat Ghar, rupees 2.50 crore has been released to 50 Gram Panchayat under which of the following scheme? A. Rashtriya Gram Swaraj Abhiyan. Which of the following is not one of the main component of Mukhyamantri Seva Sankalp Helpline 1100? D. Providing skill enhancement, training and placement. Which of the following statement are correct about Beti Hai Anmol Yojana of HP? A. 1 and 2. Yojana is for those girls candidate belonging to the below poverty line category. 2 girl children of a single family can take scheme benefits. Which of the following scheme are correct about Saur Sinchai Yojana of HP? C. 1 and 3. Its primary objective is doubling farmer income by 2022. 5,850 agricultural pump sets will be provided to farmers. Which of the following statements are correct about Mukhyamantri Shahri Ajivika Guarantee Yojana of HP? A. 1 and 2. It will ensure livelihood security to urban households by providing a guaranteed employment of 120 days in a financial year. Employment will be provided to eligible beneficiary within 15 days of registration. Which of the following statements are correct about Atal School Vardi Yojana of HP? C. 1 and 3. All the students of class 1st to 12 of states get school uniform free in a year. The aim of scheme is to bring about uniformity among students in the classroom by providing similar uniform to all irrespective of their economic status. Which of the following statement are correct about Himachal Healthcare Scheme? A. 1 and 2. The state government provide cashless treatment of rupees 5 lakh per annum per family to maximum 5 members in a family. All the registered family members will get treatment at predefined package rate in all empaneled hospitals. Which of the following statements are correct about Smart City Mission? A. 1 and 2. Government will develop parks and gardens in every development block with necessary facilities for senior citizens of rural areas. The parks and garden would be developed on leveled land of minimum 1 bigha with convergent of Manrega, Swasth Bharat Mission, and 14th Finance Commission. Which of the following statement are correct about Ek Boota Beti Ke Naam scheme? A 1 and 2. The scheme has been launched to sensitize people about the importance of water and forest conservation. A plant sapling along with a kit will be provided to the parents on the birth of a girl child. A is the correct answer. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए. थैंक यू.